Today I'm at Huai Khwang, which I'll be coming here to enjoy a very delicious seafood. It's a curry crab dish. I find that it's one of the best in Bangkok, which I by far is the one that I love it the most. And this very company is Somboon. So they have a lot of variety of seafood that's available, and also when I'm doing some of the research, there's even pork ribs, which highly recommended by people over here who tried it out. And today, I'm mainly here for the curry crab and also the most likely the crab vermicelli or the prawn vermicelli, and I will sort it out and see which are the few. But most likely I will get some of the, I think it's called the fried hyong. I'm not quite sure how they call it by name. So without further ado, let's head in and enjoy the food. Right now, I'm at the level 2 of the Somboon Seafood Restaurant. It's a bit of a Chinese style seafood restaurant where you can get a lot of variety of seafood that are available here. Let me show you the menu right now. As you can see, the menu is over here. So they started at the 1969. So it has been a very long story, and there's a lot of different outlets in the Bangkok where you can try it out, and you can just search for the Somboon and they will see it. So this is one of the famous ones, which is the curry crab. It's quite nice. It's nothing similar to the Singapore style chili crab. This is totally different kind of taste, and you can't really say that it's of a like maybe the Indian curry. You have to just taste it, then you'll know the difference. So, let me show you the entire menu. So here's another one. You can choose between the S, M, L, which is in different prices, and also there's this. I highly recommend getting one of these, either the prawn one or the crab one. So this time around I'm getting the prawn. So there's also some fried fish, deep fried grouper, and also there's the fried chili crab with chili paste. Another the mud crab. So they are using mainly the mud crab. So you only get the mud crab. So over here, there's the egg roll where you get a lot of rolls. I don't know what is this. Here.
Okay.
Hey, thank you. Okay, let's continue. So I also get this. I get the small one. It's quite nice. So there's a lot of the what do you call it, the delicious orange color pasting that are in the prawn head. There's a lot of them in this river prawn. So I recommend you all to get at least a small one to try it out. So there's also this one, the smaller version. Yeah. So the garlic one. And also there's the mantis shrimp and different others. Steamed prawn. Over here. Okay. This is the huge river prawn, which costs around 1,900 to 1,003 baht. Comfort. White fish. Fishes. Cockles, green mussels, scallop, oyster, cuttlefish, squid, oyster, meat style, veggie, real seafood. I think this is the duck feet noodles and sea cucumber. Wow, I think this is the pork ribs that are highly recommended in the review, which I've been doing my research on. Oh, so I also ordered one of these. There's a crab meat one, and also there's a prawn balls. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at the. I think there's another drinks or. Oh, I think we'll keep it up. There's the prawn vermicelli, the deshell crab, the grilled river prawn, the veggie, the crab fried rice, and the crab roll, and the prawn roll. That's as the crab fried rice. So I get some crab meat and the rice. It looks like some kind of, how to see, I will see that. I'm not quite sure. I think it's bacon. No, let's taste it. Alright. The taste is not bad. The bacon gives a bit of like saltiness to the rice, and overall is also a bit sweet. So, there's a lot of different flavor in the fried rice. Plus the meat, crab meat, because it's not being seasoned or anything, so that's why the bacon definitely add a bit more taste and umami to it. And over here, right now, is the curry crab. Normally if you get the deshell one, it will be a bit more expensive compared to the non-deshell one, and you'll get a better look also if you are going to take some shot or video. From what I can see right over here, there should be some kind of egg that are being served into it, which give it the gravy a bit of like lumpy kind of feeling, the taste. Then they add some spring onion and also chili, which are all added into it, and yeah, that's how they cook this curry crab. The taste of the sauce is like the, how should I explain it? Let me taste again. It's a bit salty, and also I can't really taste of the egg. I'm not sure if the egg is being added into it, but definitely the crab meat is there's much more meat in the crab compared to the fried rice one, which are like small slices of crab meat over here. So the fried rice one, the crab meat is slightly a bit tasteless if it's not added with the bacon bits.
Có lúc hay ké bên này. Hay ké không?
Okay, okay. Cảm ơn các.
Yes sir, no problem.
So over here is the prawn,
Yes sir.
prawn glass noodle. The glass noodle is quite springy, and so is more tend towards the salty. So do take note that the bottom part is more oily. So if you are going to lose weight, definitely don't finish the entire glass noodle, right? So this is the crab ball. I think they mince the meatball with the crab with the pork, that's why it's more towards the meatball texture. I think they add back some breadcrumbs on the exterior before they fry it, that's why the exterior is very crispy. And also there's some veggie along with it. Those are the pickled veggie. Over here is a prawn roll or prawn balls. Good point. Anyway, I normally just name it as the prawn roll. Let me show you. If you are able to look at it, there's like, well, there's some lips in it and meat with mixture of prawns. And the exterior is the beancurd skin, which will deep fry it. So they come with a sauce. I think the sauce is the sour plum sauce, which is a bit sour and sweet. Thank you. Lastly, let me show you the raw prawn. So if you have seen just now, when they serve it to you, they normally will come with a lot of the shell. So you can request them to help you deshell it for you. Okay? They will remove all the shell and you can just eat it conveniently without getting your hand dirty. You all see all the prawn roll, or the orange color one. There's a lot of them. Oh, it's totally a full mouthful of it. And the meat is really spooky and very nice. I really like the texture of it. It's definitely super fresh. Just by petting on it, I can already know how fresh the prawn is. And also there's slightly some chunks in it. I'm not sure do you all eat the head or you just bite on it and suck all the juice out of it. I'm so full right now. So just now we ordered a total of 7 dishes. Sadly, we didn't manage to finish it. But you want to make a guess how much does it cost? I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. So here's the full price of it. It's round up is around 2,500 baht in total. What do you think about the price? Comment down below and let me know. Personally, I think that is quite affordable for a seafood price that are around 2,500, and you get so many dishes to try. There's like 5 pieces of river prawn, there's rice, and there's also the glass noodles where there's also another prawn, and also there's a crab and crab rice, and also the meatball for the crab and the prawn. There's so much thing for you to eat, and there's so much seafood. But personally, after eating out and trying out the food, if you're someone who really like the pincer of the crab, I would suggest that you'll get the entire whole crab, and also you'll get some roll in it. Whereas if you get those deshell one, definitely they will only give you the meat that are in the body, because it's much easier to pluck it out and it's also cheaper. That's what I think. But that, point me if I'm wrong. So I really enjoy the food over here. If you are interested to try out the food, and do take note that different outlets have different prices. So this prices is only for here in the Huai Khwang, and if you want to try it, you can come here to the Huai Khwang and just exit at the exit 3 and turn right, and it's just directly in front of you, and you can go over there and enjoy all the food, seafood, test it out, everything. Definitely have to try this pie crab. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and so subscribe down below, and don't forget to comment your thoughts about the seafood that I've tried over here, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.